You asked, how to divide 20,202,020 by 2021 using the long division method. 2 is too small. 20 is too small. 202 is too small. 2020 is too small. Use 20,202. 20,202 divided by 2021 equals 9. 9 times 2021 equals 18,189. 20,202 minus 18,189 equals 2013. Bring down 0, making 20,130. 20,130 divided by 2021 equals 9. 9 times 2021 equals 18,189. 20,130 minus 18,189 equals 1941. Bring down 2, making 19,412. 19,412 divided by 2021 equals 9. 9 times 2021 equals 18,189. 19,412 minus 18,189 equals bring down 0, making 12,230. 12,230 divided by 2021 equals 6. 6 times 2021 equals 12,126. 12,230 minus 12,126 equals 104. The remainder is 104. The final result is 9,996, remainder 104.